Hello, calculus fans! Let's try to evaluate this limit. The limit as x approaches 0 of x squared e to the cosine of 1 over square root of x. Now we can't use the direct substitution property because we would end up with a 0 in the denominator. Now we can put a bound on the cosine function. We know that no matter what we plug in for cosine, we're always going to get a number between -1 and 1. Now our exponential is an increasing function. This allows us to put a bound on the exponential. So I know that e to the cosine of 1 over square root of x has to lie between e to the -1 and e to the 1. Now let's go ahead and multiply through everything by x squared, and that gives us a bound on the original function. So take note that the thing on the inside here is exactly what we started with. We were trying to find the limit of this as x approaches 0. Now we know from the direct substitution property that if I was interested in the limit of the thing on the far left, that's 0, and the thing on the far right is also 0. E is just a number. And that tells us, according to the squeeze theorem, that the limit of the function that we're interested in has to be 0, because our function is squeezed in between these two functions and they have limits of 0. So our function also has to have a limit of 0. Okay, that's all for now.